Welcome back to Josem Graphics, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to watch movies for free using the Tubi TV Android app. Let's get started. Tubi TV is a free streaming service that offers a wide range of movies and TV shows across various genres. And the best part? It's completely free, with no subscription required. First, let's download the Tubi TV app. Click on the link in the description and click Download. Navigate the app on the Download section. Go ahead and tap on it, then select Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When you first open Tubi TV, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. You can choose to sign up or log in if you want to keep track of your watch history. But if you prefer, you can start watching right away without creating an account. Now let's dive into the content. You can browse through a variety of genres like action, drama, comedy, and more. Once you find a movie you want to watch, simply tap on it and it will start playing instantly. The app may display a few ads, but they're a small price to pay for completely free access to a massive library of movies. Tubi TV also offers some great features like My List, where you can save movies to watch later and continue watching, so you can pick up right where you left off. And that's it. Enjoy watching your favorite movies for free with Tubi TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.